Hello everyone. If you're looking for better hair, skin and nails, then biotin is hands down one of the best nutrient to help with strong nails, luscious locks and healthy skin. But there is a lot more to biotin than just looks. How do we find it? Why do we need it? And how do we know that we are deficient of it? We will also talk about the best way to include biotin in your routine through diet and supplements. So biotin is vitamin B7, which is water soluble vitamin, and hence it is not stored in the body and excreted to urine. Hence there is less chances of toxicity of vitamin B7 in the body. So sources of vitamin B7 are egg yolks, green leafy vegetables, white mushrooms, cheese, chicken, peanuts, almond seeds and sunflower seeds, tomato, carrots, bananas, strawberries and chicken. So what can biotin do for you? It encourages hair growth, gives strength to your brittle nails and leads to younger looking skin. With this, it also reduces weight and reduces blood sugar level as well. For hair loss, there are combinations of issues like biotin deficiency, hormone imbalance, autoimmunity, and various other factors. There are various products in the market which can apply as a mask, but biotin is not absorbed properly through the skin. Ever heard of keratin? Keratin makes up our skin, nails, and hair. So what are the symptoms if you are lacking of vitamin B7? There will be conjunctivitis, skin rashes, brittle nails, hair loss, fatigue, and biotin improves architecture of keratin. That is the reason we need biotin in our diet. Normal requirement of vitamin B7 in adults and adolescent age group is 30 to 100 microgram per day. So many people ask me about whether to take biotin supplements or not. So you should not take it unless it is directed by a physician. So it is all about miracle hair vitamin. Thank you.